hope everyone can hear me. Connection is available. I'm down in New York City, guys, visiting, shopping. It's hot. And I just wanted to let you guys know that we are back with another promotion. Okay, we're having a promotion, guys. It's going to be going on for 1 week only for Impact Mailing Club, and it's going to be from December 1st to December 7th, where you're going to be able to come in as a Sapphire and automatically get the upgrade to the Diamond level. Hey Steven, hey Eduardo. And I just want to let you guys know that promotion is back for a short period of time. I'm trying to stay a little quiet because there's people running around in here. Hey Mary, Mary, I will get that done for you once I get back home. I'm out here visiting family and actually enjoying this beautiful place that I'm staying in now. It's absolutely stunning. We've been here for a few days, and I got an email stating that the promotion is back. So I'm extremely excited because so many people did so well with the promotion, and because it was for a short period of time, we weren't able to really leverage it the way that we wanted to. So now that it's back, take the time to get involved in this great opportunity that's going to allow you to earn on every single level, okay? Every single level that they have, you'll be able to earn on when you come in during this promotion, okay, guys? So again, it's gonna only be for 1 week only. And I want you guys to know that if you need me for anything, as soon as I get back home, I will make sure to get back in contact with you. And any funnels that I need to do, any of the cover letters that I need to do, I will make sure to get that done for you guys as soon as I return, okay? I hope everyone enjoyed the Thanksgiving. Spend a lot of time with family and friends. And guys, do you see this? I'm staying at the Box House. It is absolutely stunning here. I mean, the rooms is top of the line. They eat breakfast. I mean, the lobby is beautiful. They even have a place where you could get on a computer. You see that, guys? It's absolutely amazing. Yes, Mary, I have you. Hey, Eric, thanks for tuning in. Hey, Leonard. Hey, Robert. Hey, Felicia. Yes. Hey, Chris. So I'm going to be out for the remainder of the day. But as soon as I get back home, I will be in contact with you guys. Make sure to get information for the free upgrade, okay? And make sure to stay connected. I do have an awesome training that's coming out for anyone who's in direct mail that will be launching very soon. It's actually in the works as we speak, okay? So I will keep you guys posted on that when it actually happens. Hey, Barbara. Hey, Chris. Hey, Victoria. Yeah, thanks so much for tuning in, guys. But I'm enjoying this weekend. The weather, it is a little bit cold here, but that's not slowing us down. We're bundled up, and we're gonna just keep enjoying this weekend. Hey, Jeffrey. Hey, Mona. Good morning. Hey, Christy. Guys, if you can let me know where you're tuning in from. If you're watching this later on in the day, hashtag replay for me. Okay, and again, guys, direct mail, Sapphire to Diamond upgrade. The promotion is back. The promotion is back. I'm so excited. I got the news last night, and I was tired because we stayed out late, and I wanted to do a live last night, but I'm like, you know what? When I get up tomorrow, I'll make sure to do the live. So I'm here letting you guys know what's going on. Staying connected. Hey, Morris, thanks for tuning in. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. And I will be back with everyone tomorrow. Between tomorrow and Monday, I will make sure to get all of the cover letters done. Any websites that's left out that needs to be done, that will be done as well between Sunday and Monday. Guys, the training that's coming up is going to be for anyone that's involved in any direct mail opportunity. So not just for Impact Mailing Club. This training is going to be for everyone. I'm going to be giving out some great freebies for people that want to get started with direct mail or that are already in direct mail. And I'm going to give you guys some ways to start actually earning at a fast pace. So please stay tuned for that. Hey, Dennis. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. So I'll be back with you guys later on today. I hope, again, everyone is enjoying their weekend, and have a great day. Bye-bye.